beliefs that you have. It's a practice of just slowing down using sounds. Kahit anong tunog naman po ay very powerful. All music is sound, but not all sound is music. Yung ibang sound, ingay na. Yung ibang sound, nakakasakit na. So the practice of sound healing, basically any instrument with an intention to give yourself an experience of the present moment. Because sound is close to the ear. The moment you hear something, a program will run. Relax. Tense. Di ba? Bilisan mo! Bilisan mo! Ganon. You see a tense boss, lahat kayo, di ba? Anong gagawin? Anong gagawin? Ganon siya. That's the power of sound. The moment you hear something, a program will run. Noong sinaunang panahon pa lang, alam na nilang magulo na ang utak natin. So, even different cultures have different modalities. For this afternoon, you're gonna experience an ancient practice, an ancient instrument, the Himalayan singing bowls. We're very fortunate that we're still alive to experience these practices in order for us to validate that there can be happiness and there can be peace on this earth. And the moment you let your body experience that, it will have a choice. Bakit ko pa iisipin yung stress? Aalalahanin ko yung hininga na yun. Aalalahanin ko yung tunog na yun. Now, on a practical level, stress will downregulate your genes and create dis-ease. No matter how healthy you are. You have a physical today, I'm all good. And then you're exposed to a project for a stressful... Imagine being co-workers, stressed ka, you're more at work than at home. 10 hours kang ganun. Pag uwi mo, ganun ka na rin. Di ba? You're so wound up. So anyway, what sound does, it allows us to have a vibration wherein we slow down all those stresses. And automatic na po yun pag nag-slow down na po yung brain waves. It's like listening to your favorite tune. You fold time and space. Oh, tapos na yung Animatera, next song na. Next song agad, di ba? 7 minutes ka na palang sumasayaw. Bigla na lang sakit na lang ng tuhod mo after. No? So anyway, ako lang pala yun. So anyway, so even that energy, di ba? May injury ka pero pag ando na yung beat, you cannot help it. That's the power of sound. Now, in sound healing, it's opposite. You relax. Iba siya sa kahit anong practice natin na, workout. So, this is a workout for your brain. Just to be aware of your thoughts. No? Where are your thoughts? Are you there? Are you here? And that is empowering. It doesn't matter where your thoughts are. The moment you're aware, 10 years ago na pala yun. That's empowering. Or, 3 weeks pa pala yun. Nandito pa ako. That's so empowering. Being in the present, it connects you to the signal that life goes on. Napakagara niya. And you cannot escape. Pag kinalembang to ni Teacher Kimpoy, kahit anong iisipin mo, it's a good disruption for your brain. I say relax, listen to the vibrations. Your brain waves will go to what we call a state called alpha and theta. Wherein you're half awake, half asleep. Ito nga yung sumasayaw ka. 7 minutes na pala yun. Or you listen to your favorite tune, you put it on repeat because tapos na yung biyahe, natapos na 3 oras mo na palang nire-repeat yung kanta. So, that's when your brain waves start to slow down. The most important part of your brain is cerebellum, which is your subconscious mind. Now, you access that when you're in alpha and theta. It's like, I'm here, I'm there. And then, it's just the moment of telling your brain to relax. You're here. You're safe. You're like in the operating table. You cannot do that when you're beta. You're safe. No, I'm not. There's something na ang dami niyang tayo. No, I'm not. Ang dami niyang sinasabi. Pero kung nasa sound, hindi ka, you're safe. Ganun siya. So, nandun ka na agad sa operating table. Sobra siyang, that's how easy it was given to us. Sobrang fortunate tayo na ang daming sound healers. I won't resonate to some of you, but there are a lot of sound healers here that you will resonate with. That's why that is our advocacy, to share the vibrations of sound as a tool for us to validate that there can be happiness and there can be peace on this earth. Siya po ang pinaka tool. Kung I gatekeep this to myself, di ba? So, kayo dyan, di ba? Ganon. But, no. Yes, di ba? Baka stress ako dito. But that's not it, you know? It's, when you come into this practice, there's a deeper calling. Okay?